natural hemorrhoid cure. Does it really work and is it safe? Now, before I answer this question, let me warn you something. The wrong treatment could be potentially unsafe. I am sure you are tired of hemorrhoids like many others are. If you are one of the bile sufferers, it is very likely that you feel not that comfortable when seating. Well, I know you don't want to waste time and efforts by testing different methods. And I also know that you want to cure the biles right away, right now. Immediately. Pharmacy treatment is expensive and it does not always provide a working solution. As I mentioned already, the wrong treatment can harm you instead of doing any good. That's why people nowadays look more often at 100% natural alternatives. However, can you trust them and in how far do they work? Well, let me identify the problem here. Hemorrhoids could be painless but also painful. How is that possible? Let me tell you. There are two different types of hemorrhoids, internal and external. The internal hemorrhoids are painless most of the time. However, if you don't treat them on time, they can grow and become external. Now, this is the moment when you will regret the time you didn't cure them as they were still internal. Why? Because of the pain and the discomfort. That means that they can crush your self-esteem and confidence if not treated at the right time. In such case, the people will start searching for some relief in the form of medications, or they will even think of a surgery. Well, the surgeons don't want you to know a secret. A secret? Yes, a secret. Here it is. You don't need any surgery or expensive medications. The surgery itself, no matter what they say, is something risky. And who wants to lie on a surgery table? Now back to our problem. The hemorrhoids are a common problem for the pregnant women. And this is just normal. But do they like it? I'm sure they don't. Thankfully there are 100% natural treatments that work. That originates the next question. What are the most common treatments? Most of the pharmacies use creams and drugs. Another common method is the surgery as we mentioned previously. But who likes that method? I don't for sure. The problem with some of the pills is that they can harm your health while treating the hemorrhoids. That's why many sufferers look at natural treatments. They are much more effective long term. And they work great. That is because of their ingredients and because they don't have any side effects like chemical treatments. Now, with all that being said, you might ask. That sounds great. Can you give me an example? Well, I can. And I will give you a simple tip of home remedy. The cold water is a highly recommended relief method. This is a temporary method but can be very welcome at a certain point. By using this method, you actually make the blood vessels constrict, which slightly reduces the size of the hemorrhoids for a while. Once again, this is only a temporary solution. There are many more other options. But let us talk more about those in part 2 of our video. In part 2 we will discuss more home remedies for hemorrhoids. All of them are 100% natural and that's why the companies out there don't want you to know them. We will show you exactly how you can cure your hemorrhoids starting immediately. You will have your smile back as well as your self-esteem. Not only that, you will feel fantastic and comfortable. We will show you the treatments that work. And those that don't.